Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing on how to become an IAS officer. We will be covering the eligibility criteria and various tips and tricks which will help in achieving your journey. Let us begin.
Step 1. Meeting the IAS eligibility criteria. The primary and most important step to becoming an IAS officer is to fulfill the eligibility criteria set by the UPSC Commission. An IAS officer's age limit. The minimum age criteria to appear for the UPSC exam are at least 21 years of age. The maximum age limit where a candidate can become an IAS officer for the general category is 32 years. The maximum limit for the OBC category is 35 years also, and for of SC/ST category is 37 years. Educational qualification. A candidate must have a graduate degree from any recognized university to become an IAS officer and pass the UPSC CSE exam. Candidates who have completed a correspondence education program are also qualified to take this exam. This examination is open to both professionals and non-professionals. This examination is also open to medical students. Candidates who have passed the CA, ICWA, and ICSI exams are also eligible to apply. Number of attempts. For the general category, the candidate is limited to 6 attempts. For OBC, the candidate has a limit of 9 attempts. SC/ST candidates have no limit till 37 years of age. Step 2. The next step is to apply for the Civil Services examination by completing the application form released every year by the Union Public Services Commission. Aspiring candidates should regularly check newspapers or visit the official UPSC website to stay informed about any recruitment advertisements. Step 3. Clearing the preliminary exam. The preliminary exam, typically held in June, is a qualifying exam consisting of 2 compulsory papers of 200 marks each, General Studies Paper I and General Studies Paper II, commonly known as CSAT. Both papers are objective and each has a duration of 2 hours. The marks from this exam are not included in the final ranking. Step 4. Filling out the DAF form for the mains exam. After the prelims results are announced, candidates will know if they have cleared the stage and are eligible for the mains exam. To proceed, candidates must fill out the UPSC DAF form for the mains exam and submit it online on the official UPSC website. Completing this DAF form is mandatory to appear for the mains exam. Step 5. Clearing the UPSC mains exam. After completing the DAF form, you will need to take the mains exam, typically held in September or October. This exam includes 9 papers, 1 compulsory Indian language, an English paper, an essay paper, 4 general studies papers, and 2 optional papers. Since the mains exam is subjective, thorough practice in answer writing is essential. Step 6. Cracking the final interview round. This is the final stage of the Civil Services exam. Following the UPSC mains exam, the Commission conducts a personality test, which carries 275 marks. The interview process is extensive, involving a panel of subject matter experts, psychologists, bureaucrats, educationists, and the board chairperson. The final ranking is determined by the marks obtained in both the mains and the interview. IAS officers are selected based on this final ranking. Step 7. Completing the IAS training at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. After successfully completing all the aforementioned stages, candidates undergo intensive training at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie. The training period lasts approximately 2 years and is divided into different phases. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to stay updated on our latest videos.